welcome back to our channel, where today we are going to be playing Dota 2. So, sorry guys if I haven't been making a video for a while, because I'm making a series that is Dota, so enjoy this video, and yeah. Why is this loading screen so long? Okay, just let's wait. I don't know, come on, hurry up. Okay.
All pick.
Okay, select the hero. No, no. 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 No, I want the fiery guy. Ember Spirit! I want to be the fiery guy thingy. Then... Okay. Weapon. Cancel. I don't know how to do this at all. What do you... Okay, Amber Spirit?
I carry the torch.
Okay, you carry the torch, I know. So, how do you control this? Okay, so...
Prepare for battle.
All action is reaction.
No, it's not. Wait. Guys, I need to see the controls first, okay? So... Ooh. What? Okay, okay. So... Wait. Okay. My god. So... how to do this? Wait, okay? Sorry guys for that. I'm sorry. Sorry for
It
if
must be done.
I'm sorry, okay? For everything.
Be
that
wary.
I've done.
Be cautious.
Oh my god! So I'm just going to like... Oh my god, why? Okay, I don't know what
The
to
stalwart flame flickers. Fire shall teach you.
I'm going to press W, and then...
You should make ready.
Phew! What?
Fear not the forest.
Okay, I'm just going to kill this guy, and then... If I die one more time, I'm
The
going to end
road
that
is
video
endless.
here. So sorry guys if you're looking for more.
You have no chance. The hearth grows cold.
Oh my god! Okay, guys, I'm just going to end this video here. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you want me to continue the series, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're generous and you're new to this channel, please subscribe.
Your top tower is under
I'm
attack.
considering
There is
using
peace here.
subscribe so I could give
Ignite the flame god.
Your top tower is under attack.
I am not ready.
and